So from here, if I want to do continuous order, I can enter here directly. For example, 17. Enter directly. Okay. Or I can choose the data I saved here already. You know, this one can save more than 1,000 data. You also can compile in the computer and upload. So you just here, USB. Here you can name it. If you have more than 200 times 150, you can name it A here. So you can search it. You can search it. For example, if I want to search 250 times 320, I found it. For example, 400, 150. You see, I found it. Then I can data download. Then you see, it's become this. This is order on 17. Then back. 18, I want this one. Download. You see, 18 is here. So I want to do continuous order from 2 to 9. 5 to 9. This one not change means I forget this one. Okay. So it's change. Then system start up. This one you can insert, delete. You can add and begin to enter here. Okay, I can name it. Okay, and I make a 19 is this one. I choose this one. Download. You see 19 is here. So this is you can save. You can arrange as save. That means from small to big here. And also here, this is 20. I choose number 4. I can data upload. You can see 4 will change this data 200. You see, it's changed. Okay, so I can name it. Because I have one more, so I made this is B here. And don't forget, arrange and save is saved here, so you can choose. You can see 13 is 0. 12 has data. Has data. If I want to clear all, you choose here 1. Put this one. Data download. Okay, 1 became 0, you see? Became 0. But 2 still, then same. 2, download. Okay. 3, download, became 0 here. 4, download, became 0. You go back, have a look. 4, 0. 3, 0. 2, 0. So like this way.